Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to give you quick tips regarding boosting your energy levels with the help of yoga and Ayurveda. So first and the foremost important for enhancing your energy levels, the first tip is convert 50% of your food into raw. That is, have more fruits and salads in your diet. Almost 50% of it should be raw, uncooked, and 50% of your food should be cooked. Next tip is, whenever it comes to cooked food, try to cook food every time fresh and try to consume it within 90 minutes if possible. It will help to make your digestive fire to work to its optimum, which in turn will boost your energy levels. You can do this experiment and you can observe the change within you for a week. And if you like that change, continue doing it and you will see your health will become better and better and your energy levels will rise. Always try to consume freshly cooked meals, means hot meals. Try avoiding all the cold meals because cold meals are not optimum to your body temperature and cold meals are not at all good for health because it weakens your digestive fire. So, it is very important whenever you are having meal, your meal should be hot, means warm. It should not be burning hot, but it should be warm enough so that it matches the temperature of your body and your digestive fire will not go down. This digestive fire in Ayurveda we call Jataragni. Next tip is make sure to evacuate your bowels daily. It is very important if you want to make your energy levels high. Because in traditional sciences like Ayurveda and yoga, it's been said that mind has a very deep connection with your colon. So, it is very important that your colon should be clean. In Ayurveda, we do this cleaning with Shankh Prakshalana. That is one of the technique to clean out all the toxins from the colon. This process can be done only under the experienced Ayurveda doctor. But you can do another thing to clean up your colon, that is enhance the fruit intake in your diet. Because if your colon is healthy means it will boost your energy level, and if your energy levels are good, it will make your mind work in the best possible way. Make sure that you take shower in the morning daily, because when we take shower, it is not just to clean the body. With shower, we take out all the negative thoughts, negativity, negative emotions and much more with the water, because when we talk about water, water is still mystical thing, and we know science has done too much research on water because they still don't know total properties of water. So, water is not just 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen, that is H2O, it is much more than that. So, it is very important that according to Ayurveda, it has been recommended that before your sadhana, before your practices, make sure you take shower daily. That will boost your energy levels. So, for below head you take warm water shower, and on head you can take lukewarm water shower, because for head very warm water shower has been contraindicated. That is also one of the reason for losing hair. And also hot water shower on your head will also decrease your eyesight. In summers you can wash your head with even cold water, no issues. So, next tip is never ever skip your morning breakfast, because morning breakfast or morning brunch, whatever you are eating, whether it is brunch or it's breakfast, because morning meals is the most important meal, because this is the time that fire is rising within you. As sun rises, it becomes more and more. So, it becomes extremely important that we never skip our morning brunch or breakfast, whatever you are saying, because you will observe if you are eating positive, freshly cooked organic meal in the morning, how it will keep your energy levels high throughout the day. You can take it as a challenge, you try it and you tell me after doing it how you felt. You can leave a comment on comment section and you can tell. Immediately you will feel the change. Next tip is make sure you don't keep yourself awake late at night, because if you keep yourself late at night, it will lower down your energy levels, and next morning when you get up you will feel very lazy, very down, sleepy throughout the day, and you will not be able to focus on your any important work. So make sure that you sleep by 10 o'clock. Next tip is whenever you are taking dinner, try to take your dinner not very late. That is, try to finish your dinner by 8, 7, because if you take your dinner late, it will take more of your energy to digest your food, and as there is no activity and the rejuvenation that happened to everybody during the sleep, that will not happen, because all the energy has been soaked to digest food. Because as you know, as we sleep, let us suppose we are taking dinner at 9:30 and we are sleeping, that means what is happening, that food is not being digested, it is still in our stomach, and it will create pressure on your organs, and your organs will not work properly. So it is totally contraindicated to take meals late at night. Try to have your meals early, and even for some reason if you are taking late dinner, try to focus only on liquid diet, that is soups or vegetable soups, like these kind of things. Don't take any heavy meat diet at night or any kind of heavy diet at night. Meat diet for those who are taking meat. So at night very late, don't take any meat diet. Next tip is one of the very important technique that helps to make your energy levels up is meditation. So what kind of meditation you can do? You can learn from any authentic school who are teaching these meditations classically, like Isha Hatha Yoga. You can learn from them, like Isha practices, because I learned from them, so I recommend them. But if you know some other school which are also very authentic, you can learn from them also. So meditation is very, very beneficial to shutter your mind, to shut down your mind to these non-stop talking that happens in our mind, and which consumes a lot of energy, and it will boost your energy levels up. Next tip is you can also start with Isha Upa Yoga. It is very simple practice that can make your health better. So how you can learn it? You can always write down to us. We will send you links how you can do it. If somebody is interested, please write down to us. We will tell you how you can do it. Next tip is, if you need a specific pranayam, like you are going through a lot of stress is there, that it is very difficult for you to handle it. So there is a very simple practice that is called Nadi Shuddhi pranayam. You can do which you can do for 4 to 5 minutes, and it will help you to bring your mind into relaxation, and thus it will save your energy levels. How to do it? If somebody wants to learn, please write down to us in a comment section. We will send you a link how you can do it with instructions for free. If you have little more time in the morning, you can also adopt Ayurveda Abhyanga, that is self massage with oil. How to do it, when to do it, there is a separate video regarding Abhyanga. You can click on this link, there is a link below, and you can learn all the instructions how to do it. It is also a 10-minute procedure, and it will help to boost your energy levels very high. So next tip is, if somebody wants to make their energy levels more high, there is more things like Isha Kriya. It is very, very beneficial to boosting your energy levels and to enhancing your spiritual growth. If you want, you also can learn this practice and make your consciousness better and health better. So last and most important tip, that is, in the morning whenever you getting up, you try to have 1 glass of warm water. It is very, very beneficial to flush out all the toxins from your system, and it will make your health better because there will be no toxins in the system. So these all are the small tips which you can do in your daily day-to-day life and make your health better. If you want to know more details or if you want some personal consultation, you can please write down to us. We will try to arrange a consultation with you. We are already taking online Ayurveda consultations, and if you also want, you can please write or leave a comment, or even on my Facebook page and in Messenger or anywhere. We will try to help you in every possible way. So that's all for today. I hope you will like it, and if you are watching me for the first time, there is a subscription button, there is a bell icon. You can click the subscription button, you can hit the bell icon, and you can stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you have any questions, you can please write down your questions. We will try to answer your questions in the best possible way, as your questions and your support is extremely important for us, and we are extremely grateful for your comments, for your suggestions, and we are open to suggestions. We will try to incorporate all suggestions whatever you are giving to us in our upcoming videos. And also, if you like my videos, you can also share these videos with your family and friends so that they will also get benefited. Also, if you would like to join us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. And with this note, I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and don't forget to share. And bye.